Hello, they lied to you. These 10 natural herbs works better than poultry antibiotics. Try and see result fast. What if I should tell you that some simple herbs growing around your house can do better than the expensive antibiotics you are giving your chicken and livestock animals? These natural herbs don't just treat diseases, they prevent them, boost growth, and keep your animals healthier and stronger without any harmful residue. In this particular video, we are diving into 10 powerful herbs that are safer, more effective, and cheaper alternatives to synthetic antibiotics in poultry and livestock farming. Relax, cross your legs, and watch till the end. You'll get the best result that will help you to reduce the cost of running your poultry and livestock farming. In this video, we're going to discuss their medicinal values and health boosting effects in poultry and livestock animals. We're going to explain why you should switch from synthetic drugs to these organic solutions. The ideal for broilers, layers, cockerel, turkey, goat, pigs, and more. Number one among the list is pomegranate peel. Pomegranate is spelled Pomegranate. Peel, P-E-E-L. This pomegranate peel is rich in antioxidants and tannins. It fights coccidiosis and gut infections, boosts immune system and immune function and digestive system of your poultry and livestock animals. Are your poultry birds dropping reddish coloring diarrhea? Are they dropping watery coloring diarrhea? Are they dropping dark brown color diarrhea? Have they started stooling reddish diarrhea? This particular video is for you, and this plant is the best you can use to handle this coccidiosis in your poultry house. The next one is ginseng. Ginseng is the second one in my video here. Ginseng has natural adaptogen that improves stress resistance, enhances appetite, stamina, and growth performance in poultry and livestock. It boosts immune system response and lowers mortality rate in poultry farming. The next one is beetroot leaves. Please watch at the end of this video. I'm going to guide you on how to use it and the dosage for all of them. The next one is beetroot leaves. Beetroot is very high in iron, calcium, and nitrates. It supports blood formation and improves eggshell quality. It detoxifies liver and enhances nutrient absorption in poultry and livestock. The next one is turnip greens. Very rich in vitamin K, C, and folate. It supports bone health and boosts immune defense. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. The next one is kale. Kale is spelled K-A-L-E. Kale is loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It acts as an immune booster and supports gut lining health. It helps in respiratory and eye health in poultry and livestock. Number 6 is zucchini. Zucchini leaves contains antibacterial and antifungal compounds. It supports gut health and improves appetite and feed intake and feed conversion ratio also. It detoxifies the digestive system of poultry and livestock. The next one is pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin is a natural antiemetic, that is dewormer. It has deworming properties. It is very high and rich in vitamin A, vitamin B2, and iron. It strengthens immune system and reduces intestinal parasites. The next one is Amaranth. Amaranth leaves is very high in protein, lysine, calcium, and iron. It boosts muscle development and egg formation and egg production in poultry. It has anti-inflammatory and immune boosting properties that improves digestive performance in poultry and livestock animals. The next one is radish leaves. Radish leaves contains glucosinate, which act as natural antibiotics, improves liver function and gut movement, reduces respiratory congestion and infections. Number 10 is lettuce. Lettuce contains leucocarum agent, that is a natural calming agent in lettuce, which helps reduce the heat stress and improves digestion, very rich in fiber and vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, and supports hydration. Why are these plants better than synthetic antibiotics? 1. No drug residue in meat or egg. So if you're eating any animal or any poultry meat that is reared with this organic plant, you are eating natural meat, nothing like any drug residue in either in the muzzle or in the blood of that animal. No resistance built up by pathogens. It boosts natural immunity from within. It is safer for long-term use. It enhances overall growth and production or productivity organically. Now, how do you use this plant? First, gather the plant, 300 grams of it. If you have a kitchen scale, you use the kitchen scale, measure 300 grams of it or a handful of each of them. Wash thoroughly. After washing, allow the water to dry. Then pound it if you have mortar and pestle in your kitchen. If you don't have and you have blender, better. Put inside your blender and blend it properly. Add little water, maybe 1 liter of water. After blending, then extract the juice. Then as you are feeding your poultry birds, don't give them ordinary water any longer. Add 5 ml of these extracts and make it up with 10 liters of water and feed to your 100 birds at a time. You are going to get amazing results. This is how, or you can allow this plant to air dried. After air drying, grind them to powder and mix it in their feed. That's the 2 ways they can consume these plants, and it's going to help them to boost their immune system, strengthen their health, and at the same time boost their weight and growth within a short period of time. Are you a poultry farmer? Are you a livestock farmer? And you have been thinking of the way to handle poultry infections? This is one of the best with this plant. And if you find this video very interesting and educative, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. We have 2 major channels that deals on poultry and livestock animal in this particular platform. Please subscribe to both of them and activate the bell note to show that anytime an update or a video is released, you get notified by this wonderful app. Would you like me to create another content on organic antibiotics, antifungal, antiviral plants? Let me know on the comment section. And if you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic we have ever treated, feel free and drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to answer your questions one after the other. Please note that all these plants I mentioned here are doing almost the same work in poultry and livestock health. You must not use all of them at the same time. Choose the ones you have in your area and make use of them in your poultry. You get the same result. Thank you for watching this video. Till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Please don't go far. For now, till the video is loaded. I say bye.